Chauvigny Lee, and today I'm going to show you how to make salsa in the Power Chef. First, starting off, I have my lovely trusty can opener, but I was going to open the can first, but let me go ahead and put my onions in my Power Chef, and we're going to go ahead and get the onions good to go. My little lawnmower. All right, so I didn't want to chop the onions up too much because I still have to add the jalapenos, and then I have to add the garlic also, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blend it some more. You see? All right, so now I'm gonna use the can opener today. And it's not supposed to put on the side, you're supposed to put it on top. Let me see. And you close it. And the reason why I wanted to show you a can and not fresh tomatoes, because I really wanted to show you how the can opener works, and it's actually amazing. And it's actually done. So then I pull this, close it up, voila. Look, I can touch it and everything. Best can opener I've ever had in my life. So I put it there, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the tomatoes in there. And then I have I'm gonna go ahead and use this to go ahead and squeeze my lemon out. And I put 4 lemon in there. A little zester, and it also has a zester part in front of it too, which is really amazing. Let me finish. As you can tell, I'm kind of maybe super nervous because it's my first video, but I'm getting it done. Tupperware has some awesome things to use. This is my, since I started selling Tupperware, this is like my first time ever making anything from scratch. Maybe too much cilantro. I don't want to get the party started. Put the cilantro in. And then all we need is 1 teaspoon of salt. And we click it in there. Man, that might be too much. I ain't trying to get salt wasted or anything. Not at all. I'm making a big mess that I'm learning over time. Let me see. Oh my God, bloopers. There's gonna be so many bloopers in here. All right, let's go. This is the quickest I've ever made myself. And then you can blend it as much as you want to your preference. But my salsa always comes out amazing. Let's check it out. All right, and look at my beautiful bloopers. I'm making this. Ooh, it smells good. Oh my goodness. And this doesn't usually fall apart. It's not falling apart today. And here's my salsa. Thank you for watching my salsa video. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day.